Cargo jet skid off runway in Costa Rica and then split in two halves. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A DHL cargo jet skidded off the runway and broke in two halves while landing at San Jose International Airport on Thursday, shutting down the airport but not injuring the crew. The fire department said that the Boeing 757 had taken off from Juan Santa Maria Airport just west of the capital but decided to return after detecting a failure in the hydraulic system. The dramatic footage taken from the airport shows the yellow Boeing 757 aircraft with the DHL logo skidding on the tarmac while emitting thick white smoke. It made a sharp turn on the runway before snapping into two halves, with its midsection collapsing to the ground.
Uy, madre santa, mae. Uy, mae. Carepicha, mae. Dios santo, mae. Ay, madre.
Units were then mobilized to remove the pilot and co-pilot. Director of Costa Rica Fire Department said that they have applied foam to the area in order to reduce the spill and also are working on an earthen dike to avoid the fuel getting into the drainage system. A spokesperson for a cargo carrier DHL said that both pilots were unharmed, but one was undergoing a medical check as a precautionary measure. DHL spokesperson said that the company was working with airport authorities to remove the plane so that flight could resume. He said an investigation would be conducted to determine the cause of the incident. The airport was closed following the incident that happened around 9:30 a.m. local time but was reopened around 3:30 p.m. on the same day. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.